don't know whether we will end up in Snowdonia, top of Snowdonia, or after lunch we are not gonna go do that. So because of the rain.
Get to the bottom and then come back again.
Yeah, because of the rain. So we are all on a bus, going halfway to where?
We're going to the Pig Trail. The Pig Trail.
Pig Trail. So
Mount Snowdon Pig Trail.
So Mount Snowdon Pig Trail එකට තමයි අපි යන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ අපි උඩට නගින්න හදන්නේ. But not sure that we will though because it's raining. වැස්සේ ඉඳලා නගින්න පුළුවන් වෙයිද දන්නේ නැහැ. How the height of Snowdonia, what do you know?
3,500 feet, I think.
So 3,500. So 3,500 meter 3,500 kusai. Tanna tarami.
It's over 1,000 meters, 1,100 meters, I think.
I thought meters to 3,500 meters.
No. I told you that's more than 10,000. It's about 1,100 meters.
1,100 meters, not 3,500. Sorry, wrong information. 1,100 meter, 1,100. Okay, we'll show you around.
Sorry, yeah.
බස් එක හිස් අපිට විතරයි ඉන්නේ ඔන්න ලොරි එකේ ඔන්න යන ගමන් ලේක් එක බලන්න මේ so yeah so this is the start. Okay, we have started our walk, climbing the mountain, and look, I think you already had enough, babe. Yeah. Oh my God, this is hard job. Yeah. No, so we haven't come halfway. We are going down because we cannot do this. So, not we, no, not me. I cannot do it. So it's two branches, and this is where we have to go. And we come that way. No, I can't do. Mama me. භාගයක් දුර ආවා. භාගයක් දුර නෙමෙයි. ඊටත් අඩුවෙන්. මෙන්න අර තියෙන්නේ ගයක් කොනේ. අන්න එතන ඉඳන් ආවේ. තව කරන්න බෑ. උඩට නෑ යන්න බෑ. ඒක නිසා පාගෙට ගිහින් බහිනවා.
We're going to get that train. Let's do it.
So train එක ගන්න යන්නේ උඩට යන්න. Goodbye for now. Okay, see you in a bit. How beautiful. Look.
Your sheep thinks so.
Is that the sheep? Oh dear. Look, there's a little sheep there. Oh, how cute. Right. Tell me all about your experience going with me.
Wet, lots of rocks, slippery.
No, do you think that you enjoyed the climb in the...
Very good, yeah.
No?
Well,
Why?
It was short and sweet, but it's good. Come on.
Beautiful Snowdonia. Look.
That road down there.
We are on our way back to the bottom. Look. So beautiful. So you have to go to the top of the mountain. තමයි mountain එකේ උඩ භාගයක් දුරට ගිහින් ආවා. මෙන්න road එක. අර තියෙන කාර පොඩියට යනවා. Right. ඔන්න ස්නෝඩෝනියා ගිහින් බාගෙට ගිහින් එන්න වුණා. මොකද හරිම අමාරුයි මේ ගල්වල යන්න තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් මම විනාඩි 40ක් විතර ඇවිද්දා. 1.5 kilometers විතර ඇවිද්දා. ඇවිදලා මං කිව්වා මට බෑ. මට යන්න ඕනේ. ඒක නිසා කන්ද උඩට යන්න හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ. අපි පල්ලෙහාට බැස්සා. ස්ටීව් මාව තනියෙන් එව්වේ නැහැ. ඒක නිසා එයා කිව්වා තනියෙන් එවන්න බයයි කියලා. මං එයාට යන්න කියද්දි ඒක නිසා මමයි ස්ටීව්යි පල්ලෙහාට බහිනවා. මොකද මගේ shoes මේකට හදපු hiking shoes නෙමෙයි. ඉතින් කඳු නගින shoes නෙමෙයි මං දාගෙන ආවේ. සපත්තු දෙක වැරදි. So I didn't wear my hiking boots. So this was I got from I borrowed one. And I don't like this. This is not my thing. This is not fun for me. Hiking is not a thing that I get excited about. So I thought halfway gone, now coming down. So pub එකට ගිහින් so we are going to have a pub meal and have a drink, and that's our fun, don't you think, babe? That's the best way. That's me and my man's favorite thing, eating, drinking.
A bit cloudy up the top there, look.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. So we are going down now and going to the pub, having something to eat, and maybe going to see a waterfall. දියැලක් බලන්න යන්න ඕනේ. And I show you all what we did today. අද කරපු ඔක්කොම itinerary එක මම පෙන්නන්නම්. පස්සේ වීඩියෝ එකක් දාලා. මේ ස්නෝඩෝනියා mountain clip එක පස්සේ පෙන්නන්නම්. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your comments. Oh, this is beautiful, baby. Really beautiful. Oh, wow. I'm too scared as well. Beautiful. This is amazing, baby. Oh, wow. That's amazing, babe. Wow. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Thank you.
Crash.
Well,
Those girls are, but you just come to the side here, right? Yes, please, yeah. I don't know, I've like so long since I've had anything else, I don't know what we're doing.
I mean, being up Scarfell and Helvellyn, there's nothing like that. It's very steep, but it's all in steps. There's no place where you have to actually climb.
You have, okay. Good. You showed him its full potential, did you?
If you don't mind.
It's so beautiful, isn't it? Oh, I love them.
Yeah, exactly. Dad, the old pole over there. You were saying that you take one.
Gang?
Hang on, somebody behind you.
Strip it down and send you all the ingredients, and he's got to get all the parts in, get them back to us.
Gross.
All made.